Hi, this is Diego Herrera, and I am making this video to show people that are people of my team that are just getting in the $250 per day system, how and don't have autoresponder or capture pages, landing pages. Show them how to use get response, a free trial for 30 days, and be able to use their service and get autoresponder, capture pages, landing pages for free for 30 days. And after those 30 days, uh, they can get, they just pay $50 per month. Okay? But not only that, when they start paying the $30 per month, $15 per month, they will $30 bonus. Okay? Just when you sign up through my link, okay, on my welcome page, when you become part of the $250 team of mine, okay? Now, let's start. I am already here at Get Response. I'm going to my dashboard. I am going to create a campaign from zero, okay? See, I'm going here, okay? Drop down menu, create campaign, just put a test campaign name, create new campaign. Oops, forgot that you cannot use, you only, you can use, um, you can use dash. Let me see, test campaign. Oh no, this name is already used in the whole get response system. So you gotta have different names every time, okay? You can have a different name inside your account, but if it's already chosen inside the get response servers, you cannot use that name. So let's say test campaign 250 per day. Just gonna say it like this, and voila, here it is. So I already created a campaign. Now, what I need to do is go to edit campaign settings. Once here, okay, remember that, let me see, notifications has to be on. They are on by default. Remember, just leave it like that. And here, select an email address where you want to get notifications each time you have a new subscriber. Okay, so leave this on if you want to be notified each time you have a new subscriber. Postal address on, okay, and here we have the profile tab. I don't really do much here. Actually, I don't even touch this part. I go to permission. So here it is. Enable confirmed opt-in. You have to uncheck both of these boxes here. We just want people that put, when they enter their name and email in our capture pages, they can go directly to our, to our sales page, but also they will start getting emails from our autoresponder series. Now, confirmation message. Here, we do not need to use this because we are not having, or we are not enabling the confirmation opt-in email. Okay. Now, here the the same here, confirmation page. Don't worry about this part right now. We will just go now, and you don't need to click save anywhere because it automatically saves every time you change something here. So, done. Campaign is done. Simple and easy. Now, we are going to go to the messages tab here on the top, and we're going to create a new autoresponder. Okay, so uh, placed placed here where it says your current campaign, we can go to create autoresponder, and it goes directly to the first email we will create for this autoresponder campaign. But anyway, I can choose here which which uh, which campaign I want this autoresponder to work with. Of course, we are using the test campaign. It says day 0 because day 0 is the day people subscribe. Then here it says send message. You have different options here. Okay, I usually leave this as is. Send message immediately. This means immediately after they sign up to your list. Send on, and here you see the days of the week. I leave this all checked because I want, if somebody, I want people to start getting my emails any day they signed to my list. The autoresponder name, this is just a name you can write here for reference. Let's test right here, test one again. And here we go to create message. You click here to create the message, and here you have first the message name. It says here the message name will appear in the list of your messages, but it will not be seen by your subscribers. In this case, I use, for example, test email 1. So the second message would be test email 2, and that way I can just have everything organized. The here is the subject of the message. As I have said in other videos, you can copy paste all the emails you have been receiving from me about the $250 per day system. Now, for those of you that are not part of my team and would like to see or would like to know what this 250 per day system is about, if you are watching this video on YouTube, you just click the link below, okay, and you will be directed to the some income proof videos we have and some information we have about this system. Now, you can take, as I was saying, you can take the first message you received from me about the $250 system and just copy paste everything except, of course, my personal information, and you have to put your own links in there. You have to insert your own links in there, and I will tell you how to do that in a minute. So let's say here, let me see, hi, no, I always personalize everything. I put the name of the person, and let's see here, I don't know, here is your, this is some title I already had there, and here you have to set, or you have to choose the email address your prospect, or in this case, people on your list will see they are receiving your email from. Okay, so you can choose from as many email addresses you have already registered inside your account at GetResponse. So let's leave this one here like that. I always like to set the Google Analytics on, and we go to the next step. Click here for the next step, okay? In this step, in this window, we have all the pre-designed templates we can use for our emails, but I do not recommend you to use the templates, since you will probably have people receiving your emails in all kinds of browsers. So in this case, I will just suggest you go to the menu on the left hand side of your screen, go down and click the plain text, the HTML code editor. Click that, and that will take you directly to this black screen, which is the HTML code editor. We don't want that, of course. What we do next is go here to the bottom of the screen on your left, next to the button that says previous step, and you will see that says show WISWYG. This stands for what you see, it's what you get. Click that, and now we will have a regular, an editor that we could be familiar with, okay? Now you click here, you can start writing if you want. Here you have all the edit options here, and if you click this gear icon, you got more options. What I suggest you to do also is to first have or write your emails on a text editor, a simple text editor like Notepad. Why? Because these editors do not have any formatting or pre-formatting. If you are going to copy my emails, copy them and paste them here so all the formatting is gone, and then you can format it the way you want, and you can put the links or use the links you want. Just for this example, let me see, I'm going to find real quick an email for anything. It's not doesn't have to do exactly with this business. So I'm gonna close this one. Yes, okay. So I'm going to use this email. As you can see, the email it has short sentences. Okay, I could continue writing here, but I just click enter and just go to the line below. Why? I will tell you why in a minute. But then you come here, you copy that, select it, copy. I'm gonna close it right now, and just paste it here. Okay, we gotta use the keyboard. In my case, Control V, and here it is. Okay, now why it is formatted this way? Very short lines here. Once you finish writing your email, I suggest you, if you do it here in this window, in this editor, go to plain text. This means that you can just see, you can copy here. Let me see. Sorry. So you copy all this and paste it here to see if the lines are inside the white area. If you see any line going beyond the white area, beyond this line here, you should just, cut it there and put that part in the line below. This is to ensure that all your text will be readable in most browsers and in most fonts, and in those browsers where people have set up only as plain text and not HTML. Okay. Now, once you are here, you can personalize everything. If you click here, you place the cursor here and go to personalize. You can just click name and say, hey, and it will bring the name of your prospect, okay, and blah blah blah. Okay, here you can, for example, here it says click here to watch the toolbar demo. You just highlight that part. In that case, in the case you want to insert a link, you highlight it, go to the chain or link icon here, click it, and the insert or edit link box will appear. So here you just, put the link you're trying to insert and click insert, so everything is done. Also, you can just, make the letters bold, so they show up more. They are highlighted. Okay, they show up more, and in that way you can do it. You can just place links any way you want. I suggest don't place too many links, so your email doesn't look spammy, and your email is not flagged and sent to the blackmail, to the blacklist folder and all that. So um, that's the way you place the email here. You can follow, as I said, how I have my emails written, and you can make your own, or it's up to you. Then when we're done here, you can just click next step, and we're done. The only thing is left here is save and publish, and that's it. This is all the emails we have. Here you will see all the emails you have set up for your campaign. So here 0 is because it's email 0. It is sent, email 1 sent the same day the person registered. I suggest you to send email, business email or promotional emails about your system consecutive the first 7 days. So from 0 to 6. After the 7th email, you can start sending every other day. And remember, not only promotional emails all the time. You can just send value email to value information, motivational tips. And if you have been reading my emails, you know that I also send motivational emails from time to time, with no links at all to my sales page, and I will only link my picture if I insert my picture at the bottom, and my signature will also have a link to my sales page or to my other businesses. Okay, so we're done here about the messages or the autoresponder. Okay, now we are going to create a landing page. So on the top of your screen, you can see at the end of the tabs, you can see the landing page tab. So we go to place the mouse over the landing page tab, and it opens up this menu here. We click on create landing page. Now you have an unfinished landing page, blah, blah, blah. Now let's create a new one. I don't know what the system is talking about there. So here also you have the templates for your landing pages. I really, really suggest you edit these landing pages so you can really make it simpler and easier for any browser to load your landing page. If it's too heavy, has too many images, it will take some time to load in some computers, in some browsers. So let's see here, opt-in pages. Let's go to opt-in pages here. Here on the left hand side of your screen, you have your menu. So we go to opt-in pages, which are the ones we need to use. You can pick any one you like, okay, because we will just edit them. For example, I just saw this one that I like very much. I'm gonna use that one just to see how it goes. I'm not an expert on this because I use my I use other services for landing pages and all that, but I'm trying to help you out here, um, so you can have a better landing page. Okay, so we're going to start by deleting all this stuff. Let me see. Okay, the idea here then is just you don't click on them, you just go over it, and you will see that the edit box will be around the object, in this case this image. So we go to the top right corner, and here we have an icon like a garbage can. We click that one, okay, and it's gone. Now we click here, it's gone too. Now let me see something here. Well, probably this was not the best example for the landing page. Okay, it's moving now. Right. So I'm just dragging it to the top. Okay, when you are going to make yours, play with them. Okay, I'm just trying to do something here I had never done before in this system, because as I said, I have my own landing pages system, not from GetResponse. So what we need here is this part. So here you click in this part where this sentence is, and immediately it will be selected. Okay, but remember, we just want to edit this. So we go here, we double click, we are in. You have the edition tools on the top, and you start writing whatever you want to write here. Oh, sorry. Start writing whatever you want to write here. You can also take the words, the writing from my own capture page and put it the same, or write anything you want to write that you think you think it will entice people and will make people just enter in your list, sign up. Okay, now okay, the $250 system, blah blah blah. So here we are, email data. We're ready here. Let's say we're ready, we go to next step. And next step is just give it, a name, test 250. Description, it's not necessary here. I'm not gonna use that right now. And that's it. As you don't have your own domain, you cannot use your own domain. In case you have your own domain, you have to, put it down here so it can be configured to your domain, the landing page. Okay. Now, um, in which here is, pay attention to this, subscription settings. Where do you want the people that opt in to this landing page, to this capture page? Where do you want to go, or with which campaign you want this capture page to work? So you can choose here from the drop-down menu, but of course we are using it for the test campaign. Now, confirm opt-in. No, just leave it unchecked. Thank you page. Yes, you gotta use your custom thank you page, and your custom thank you page is where you will um, enter your where you will enter your sales page. Your sales page. Here it is. Remember the sales page where you use the PayPal code and all that? Well, here is where you enter that URL. The one with your own PayPal code, okay? Because when people just hit enter, when they enter their name and their email and they click the button to get access, they will go, their information will go to your campaign, and the campaign will start running, and it will send the first email to the email address they entered. But while all that is happening, they will be redirected. They will be directed to your sales page, and in this case, they will watch the video and they can just make the decision to purchase from you. If they don't, then they will be receiving every day emails from you, if you set that up, emails from you to uh, talking about the benefits and how simple it is and all that. So when you do this, you click publish. It will just be published, okay? And here it is. This would be, it's not active. It probably is not active right now, okay? But anyway, this is the link you want to promote, not your sales page. Now, you want to promote this link, so people, when they click this link, look where they will go. Oh, well, again, it's not ready. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Let me see if this one works. I don't know. It says it was unfinished. Okay, yeah, this one, well, yeah, it's unfinished because it has no colors here. But look, I was making, it seems like I was trying to make one. And get instant access now, take action now, and start getting 250 payments to your PayPal account, blah, 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 blah. Enter name, email, click here, and they will go to my sales page. So that will happen when you set up your capture page and start promoting this URL here. That is the one that it's directing people to your capture page first. Okay. Now that's it for now, guys. Back to me with any questions, and come on, let's start making money. Let's start make things happening, and get back to me if you have any questions. Okay. God bless. Bye bye.